An amazing free app in Windows that provides step-by-step documentation of mouse clicks, mouse inputs, and keyboard inputs along with screenshots. Go to search bar and type Steps Recorder. Click this app. You have to give a demo, press Start Record. I will open this folder My YouTube channels. I will rename this image file as Super. You can pause record to do something else in the background, and you can resume record later. You can even add comments where a screenshot will be taken. You can highlight any area and you can add your comments. Click subscribe, press OK. And after the recording is done, you can stop record. Now a new folder will be created. It has new recording, save option and others. Here, whatever actions you have performed is described here along with the screenshots. You can click this part to enlarge. You can click again to shrink the image. The areas will be highlighted in green color, and the actions also using mouse click will also be highlighted in green color, and the comments which you have even made will also be visible as subscribe. It also has the option to see the steps as a slideshow. You can either work automatically where the pictures will be shown continuously, or you can hit pause and you can do it manually. You can save this file as a zip file, name it as demo, and you can share the zip file across platforms or send by email as a guided tutorial to help others. Thank you.